Information theft is a threat to businesses in a multitude of different ways. Not only do businesses suffer a direct loss due to this crime, but inadequate security and poor business practices can expose a company to liability suits, fines, and a loss of clientele. Statistics show that 50 to 70% of identity theft is committed within the workplace. This can include social security numbers, credit card numbers, bank information, or any type of personal, private information. DocuShield can redact anything the client would like to be removed from their documents. And you can mitigate the risk of personal information theft with Paragon Systems' DocuShield Redaction software. DocuShield is an autonomous service. Once configured, DocuShield will scan documents and remove any information required, all handled with an automated process. If a document does not meet the confidence level set by the administrator, the document will be sent to a manual process where a user can edit the document. DocuShield incorporates Paragon Systems' automation engine, which utilizes a seamless automated service to manage the flow of documents through the redaction process. DocuShield handles the redaction process itself from document cleanup, rules application, field recognition, and finally, redaction, all without any user intervention. In this video demonstration, we'll be adding a redaction rule to the redaction engine to redact a document that we can see in the ParaVista document viewer. In ParaVista, we can see there is a membership renewal form that is showing a credit card number. Before the credit card number, we can see there's a pattern, card, and the # for number. I can use that in my expression builder to build a filter for this redaction. On the left side of my screen, we can see the redaction rules page. On the redaction rule page, we can see a list of rules that have already been added to the redaction engine. Within the rules page, you are also able to edit current redaction rules. In this example, we're going to be adding a redaction rule to redact a document. I'm going to go ahead and close the viewer so we can add our redaction rule and view it after it's been redacted. Adding a redaction rule is a very simple process. Simply click on Create a Redaction Rule. And from here, you would describe the redaction rule that you're adding. For now, I'm just going to add Paragon Test. In this area, we'll add the words that we want to filter in for the pattern. As we had mentioned before, we're going to use the word card, select Add, and then the number symbol, and again select Add. Here we can see the regular expression has been built for us. And all we have to do now is select Add Redaction Rule. Now we can see the current pattern has been added for the redaction rule. Configuring, enabling, and saving your redaction rule is a one-time process. Once the redaction rule has been configured, the background process will run the redaction rule against every document that it reviews. Before I save this redaction rule, I would like to verify it against the document we were just viewing. And here is the document that we just looked at in the ParaVista HTML5 document viewer. To run my test, I would just simply select Test Now. Once processed, the status will be displayed to you. And here we can see that the status is redacted. To view the redacted document, I'll select Open Last Result. And this will open a document in ParaVista's HTML5 document viewer. And here we can see that the document has been redacted and the credit card number is no longer showing. This concludes our video demonstration. Thank you for taking the time to review Paragon's DocuShield redaction engine, adding a redaction rule, redacting a document, and viewing the results with ParaVista HTML5 document viewer.